Don't throw away watermelon rinds. Anyone who has tried them will want to make them every year. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Watermelon rind, seemingly useless, turns out to be a golden ingredient. Do you still throw away watermelon rinds every summer? Stop throwing them away. With this recipe, the seemingly discarded part will turn into a delicious, crispy dish that everyone will love. After just a few days, you will have a pickled dish from watermelon rind that will impress your whole family. Please watch until the end of the video and let me know where in the world you are watching from. I'd love to know. Method 1. Pour 1.5 liters of water into a bowl and add 175 grams of natural salt. Stir until completely dissolved. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Don't throw away the watermelon rind. Write in the comments what country and city you are watching me from. I'm curious about you. If you want, you can peel the rind into thin layers. Cut the melon rind into small pieces. Clean the 0.5 milliliter water bottle and put the parsley inside. Is there a similar dish in your country? If so, what is it called? Now add the watermelon rind. This summer, I didn't throw away any watermelon rinds. I ate them all and my guests loved them too. Add parsley. It helps to enhance the aroma. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. This will speed up the pickling process. Instead of taking up to 15 days to be edible, this method only takes 3 days. Make pickles in small portions. Divide a total of 80 milliliters of grape vinegar evenly between 2 jars. Now add the salt water, filling the jar to the brim. Add black pepper. Close the lid and shake gently. Should be stored in a cool, dry place. If you follow my recipe up to this step, please leave a heart in the comments. If you don't have enough other ingredients, don't worry. I've also made this with just watermelon rind. 3 days later. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Pour water out of the bottle. Use scissors to cut the bottle to easily pour out the melon rind. Pour all the melon into a bowl. Wow, delicious food is ready! Try it now. Enjoy! What other ingredients would you add to this recipe? I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about my recipe? Method 2. Use watermelon rind as a facial mask. Cut the watermelon rind into thin slices. The thinner, the better. The white flesh is rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as zinc, potassium, magnesium, and a high water content. These components help moisturize the skin, reduce irritation, and leave the skin glowing. Place the thin slices on your face for about 30 minutes, then rinse off. After doing this regularly for some time, you'll have bright, healthy skin. Especially when your skin is dry or itchy due to sunburn, applying watermelon rind is very effective. Method 3. Make tasty pickles from watermelon rind. Take 200 grams of watermelon rind with the green skin removed, then slice it thinly and set aside. Prepare 5 to 7 cloves of garlic and slice them. Next, take 2 chili peppers and chop them. Pour 60 milliliters of water into a large cup. Then add 60 milliliters of vinegar. Next, add 60 milliliters of fish sauce. Finally, add 40 grams of sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Take a clean, dry glass jar. Place a layer of watermelon rind inside, followed by some garlic and chili. Add another layer of rind, then more garlic and chili. Repeat until all ingredients are used. Next, pour in the mixed liquid. Looks delicious. Have you ever eaten watermelon rind? Seal the jar and store it in the fridge. It will be ready to eat in about a day. Pickled watermelon rind is crispy, with the perfect balance of sour, spicy, salty, and sweet. You can enjoy it with boiled vegetables, meat, or fried dishes, just like other pickled foods. Method 4. Relieve mosquito bites. Mosquito bites can be very irritating. They cause itching and swelling. Children's delicate skin is especially prone to mosquito bites. Parents often use products to clean the bites, but worry about chemicals causing irritation or being harmful to their child's skin. In this case, rub watermelon rind directly on the bite. It helps reduce redness, swelling, and itching. This method is very effective, so next time you get a mosquito bite, try using watermelon rind. Watermelon rind is really useful and good for health. Have you ever reused it? If you have a better way to recycle, please share in the comments section so everyone can know and learn. Thanks a lot! The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.